How to adjust your front fork headset. If you have diagnosed play or stiffness in your headset, you will need to make some adjustments. And if that doesn't help, then move on to replacing the bearings. This video will show you how to tighten and loosen your headset. The tools you need are a 5mm hex key, a torque wrench with a 5mm hex key attachment, a 19mm spanner, and a soft-headed hammer. Remove the small rubber protector from the top cap. Then take a 5mm hex key and unscrew the bolt in the headset until the head of the bolt is fully protruding. Next, take the soft-headed hammer and with a sharp knock the head of the bolt down so it's flush with the top cap. Now, with the 19mm spanner, if your headset is too tight, gently loosen the top cap by a few turns, then retighten gently until you feel resistance. If your headset is too loose, just gently tighten the top cap until you feel resistance. Now check again for smooth turning and play. If everything feels smooth, you can retighten the bolt to 10 Nm with a torque wrench and a 5mm hex key attachment. Then replace the rubber protector. If you can still feel roughness and ridges, then your bearings are worn and you will need to replace them. You can watch the video on how to replace the front headset bearings to see how to do that.